Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch, and beautiful, sunny and really mild December 2025 day. We're out here doing some videos on some used stock while the sun is shining, and this one I've had for a little while, and I don't know why, because it's really nice. It is, and we've just sort of really heavily reduced it as well. So this is now trade value. Really good buy. Auto Sleepers Broadway EW 2016. So very luxurious, well finished, low volume, high quality, good spec, traditional luxury British coach built motorhomes. I think that would be the best way to describe Auto Sleeper. They're Britain's oldest motorhome manufacturer. They're made in Willersley, which is a stunning village in the Cotswolds, if ever you've been there, and they've been built there for over 60 years now. Today they're part of the larger Giugiaro group, and the Broadway range came out in 2010 or 11, and it's their mainstay Peugeot based full width coach builds. So these are really roomy, spacious two berth vans. Let's have a little look at the window sheet on it anyway. So Peugeot boxer based, bomb proof, reliability, we'll talk more about that. Auto Sleepers Broadway EW, that stands for end washrooms. It's a two berth end washroom. It's got a big full width end bathroom, a bit like a caravan layout. 3.5 tonne, you can drive it on your car licence, but it's got plenty of payload. It's got the 2.2 engine, which is important. So it's the 2016 model. It's the last year of the Euro 5 chain driven 2.2, which is, in my opinion, one of the best diesel engines of all time. I've got it in my Citroen Relay. It's also seen in Ford Transits up to 16, as well as Jaguar cars, Land Rovers and other things. And in a motorhome application where they're not doing sort of moon mileages, it is an absolutely fantastically reliable engine. No wet belt, no cam belt, chain driven, only done 23,000 miles. It's only 6.3 metres long. It looks bigger, it feels bigger, but it isn't. 2.32 wide, just under standard width. 2.93 is incorrect, it's more like 2.8 height wise. And price is now $39,995, which is several £1,000s less than what we originally retailed it for as part of our winter sale. So we've got the LED daytime running lights. It's got the Zun Sport grille. I've seen that on another Broadway, and I couldn't for the life of me tell you if that was something Auto Sleeper were doing or whether it's something people add stylistically later on. But it's like a sportier looking, higher protection grille. It may have been standard on Broadway, or it may be a coincidence that I've seen it on another Broadway. I genuinely don't know. Either way, it looks smart and it protects the radiator better than your sort of standard grille. 16 plate, it's got front fog lights, fully colour coded. It's got a stone chip there on a 10-year-old, 9-year-old van. Not something we would sort of repaint a whole bumper for, but it's entitled to have something. It's got mirror guard protective mirror cases. It's got 16-inch smart Peugeot alloy wheels with really good tyres on as well. So I presume have been changed, because the tread on them is way better than a 23,000 mile tyre, I would say. It's got the Thule factory fitted awning. The white sealant will always suck up the sort of pollutants out of the air, but we can put a bead of over sealant over that just to make it look nicer. If we're being critical, the graphics have faded a bit. Could replace them if you want to. It's not something we would do. Again, it's in keeping with the coach built of the age, but it is there. We like to be honest in these descriptions, but there are graphics companies who will replace such things if it bothers you. We've got smart grey sides though. That's a big storage locker, goes underneath the near side sofa. You also got the standard gas barbecue point. These are running from an underslung gas tank, so all Auto Sleepers of the time ran from a gas tank, and that means you didn't take up the space with a gas locker, and it also meant you've got bigger gas capacity and it's much cheaper to fill up, and you can fill up with an adapter outside the UK as well, so that's a real smart thing. External sockets for when you're on mains hookup. You've got an external socket, which is useful if you've got one of these electric barbecues or just for plugging in things when you're outside. Double glazed windows all the way around, fully winterized. There's an electric step on the habitation door, which is centrally locked. Coming around the back, corner condition check is fine. Ignore the plate on the back of it, that was its old private plate. It is a 16 plate as seen on the front. Around the back, other corner condition check also fine. We can see a Auto Sleeper factory fitted reversing camera, Auto Sleeper factory fitted TV aerial on the roof, and there's also a decent sized solar panel, which I'm not sure if it is the Auto Sleeper factory fit one because it looks a bit bigger, but it's a decent sized solar panel anyway. Toilet cassette lockers, you've got the big full width end bathroom all the way across the back. Fridge vents for your 3-way fridge freezer, so that runs on mains if you're hooked up, gas if you're not, from your big gas tank. 12 volt off the engine alternator while you're driving. Flue for the microwave. Mains hookup, so it's got mains hookup, a leisure battery and solar panel. Flue for your gas and electric, Truma blown air heating. That's a pull-out storage box, very handy for your toilet chems, your Mainsleys, your levelling ramps. There's an outside TV and satellite socket, and your water fill-up point is there. Comes with the Whale water system, where you can leave a long hose hooked up to a tap, or bring an aqua roll and get a short hose for it. Basically, it's all pressure regulated food standard. So coming in, looking at the cab spec, it's got all the stuff you'd expect of what was and is a luxury model. Remis concertina cab blinds, multifunction steering wheel, showing surprisingly some signs of wear on the leatherette part of the cab seats. So these covers, I tell you what we can do, of course you can always put covers over the top of these. They're just standard Peugeot seats, it's only cosmetic. Radio, it's not sat nav. You could upgrade that to an Apple CarPlay system if you wanted to. We can get it done for you at cost price, but as it is, it's a Bluetooth radio, 16 probably DAB, can't guarantee it though. Air conditioning, cruise control, 6-speed manual gearbox, all Peugeots were manual. Heated mirrors, which are also electrically adjustable. Gas tank level gauge works when you're driving. Both your cab seats swivel around. So this van will come with a new MOT, a big engine service, a habitation service, and 12 months warranty, covering all the factory fitted features on the vehicle, including leaks and damp. It's our own in-house warranty. No one else covers damp on a van that's over 10-year-old. The dealers don't tell you that because we warranty the van ourselves. We do, and it's worth its weight in gold, that. So centrally locked habitation door with a bin, fly screen door of course, light up Auto Sleeper badge, and you step into what is an extremely comfortable and amazingly spacious place. So it's only 6.3 metres long. That's the same length as a van conversion. Really surprising. And we've got a massive mid kitchen covering both sides. Full 3-piece oven, hob, grill, 3 gas burners, 1 mains electric. Nice deep sink. High level cabinets with clips for glasses and bottles. There's a hob top extractor and a plate rack. Doubt you're going to find anything better than that. I've no idea what that is. That's not factory fitted. On the other side, the only real fault in the van is a dink in the worktop here, which has clearly been caused by a fall from a cupboard there, so we will fill that. Extra pull-out workspace. I mean, if you like a good kitchen in a van, you're going to struggle to find a better one than that, aren't you? Microwave at a reasonable height, and a TV bracket in there that will swing out to face the front lounge. Kitchen roll holder. I would expect this to be a table holder. Yep, your table, freestanding table would go in there. This pulls together to make a large double bed. You can use your cab seats to use them as single beds. Loads of cupboard storage there. There's storage under the sofas as well. 2 tables, 1 freestanding, there's one smaller one that can go in a leg there. Now, bathroom. Huge bathroom dressing area. I mean, how good is this? Beautiful freestanding basin. Massive separate shower with 2 drains and a light and a hanging rail in it. Big mirror, hello. Huge wardrobe, carpets, that's your freestanding, that's your smaller table even, hanging rail, and 3 drawers down there. Bench toilet gives you the bigger toilet cassette and a lower toilet as well. Got a ripped manky fly screen on there, so we'll replace that. I might take that off and take it in with me. So that's it really. So we need to just fill that little dink there, replace this fly screen. It's not smoky, it's not doggy. So it'll get a big engine service, MOT, full habitation service, full valet, 12 months warranty and a full working handover on collection. We'll get the gas tank independently inspected as well. Yeah, and it's got to be the cheapest 16 generation Broadway EW in the country, hasn't it? A dealer, I would imagine. So if you're interested in this van, give us a call on 01626 832 792. Hit the motorhome sales option. You can text or WhatsApp the mobile. You can try and call it, but the signal is weak, so that's 07432 662 558. Drop us an email at jw4@highbridgecaravans.co.uk. Check us on the highbridgecaravans.co.uk website, or come and see us. We're at Tingerace, which is Newton Abbot, Devon, just off the South Devon Expressway. We're not affected by the road closures of the main road into Newton Abbot, because we are right on the A38 itself, between Exeter and Plymouth. So give us a call today and ask us about this wonderful 2016 Auto Sleepers Broadway EW. Thank you very much. Goodbye.